Have you ever wondered if AI could create art? Not just simple images, but entire worlds, symphonies, and even movies. Well, the future is here, and it's called Multi-modal Generative AI. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of AI that can create across different formats and explore how it's changing the creative landscape. Generative AI, as you might know, is AI that can create new content, but multimodal AI takes it a step further. It's not limited to just text or images. It can understand and generate across multiple formats. Imagine an AI that can take a text description and create a painting, a musical score, and a short video all at once. That's the power of multimodal AI. We'll look at some of the most impressive examples of this technology in action. AI is no longer just a tool for scientists and engineers. It's becoming a powerful ally for artists and designers. We're seeing AI generate stunning visual art, from abstract paintings to photorealistic images. It's helping designers create prototypes faster and explore new creative possibilities. But this also raises questions about the role of the artist and the definition of creativity itself. The impact of AI isn't limited to visual arts. It's also revolutionizing the world of music and audio. AI can compose original music, create sound effects, and even generate realistic voiceovers. This opens up new avenues for musicians and audio professionals. We'll explore how AI is being used to create everything from catchy pop tunes to complex orchestral pieces. Perhaps the most exciting development is the use of AI in video and film production. AI can generate realistic video footage, create special effects, and even edit entire films. This is making video creation more accessible and efficient. We'll look at how AI is being used to create everything from short films to blockbuster movies. With all this power comes great responsibility. The rise of multimodal AI also raises serious ethical concerns. We need to be aware of the potential for AI to be used to create deepfakes, spread misinformation, and infringe on copyright. It's crucial that we have open discussions about AI ethics and develop regulations to ensure that this technology is used for good. The future of AI and creativity is full of possibilities. AI is not going to replace human artists, but it will become an essential tool for them. We're entering a new era of collaboration between humans and machines, where creativity knows no bounds. What do you think about the rise of multimodal generative AI? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on the future of technology.